My sound is not working. Okay. My name is Nikisha Evans, and I am currently doing my field placement in the adoption part of child welfare. I am currently a case manager in child welfare. I deal with families and children and helping caregivers attain or get back their reunification with their children if they meet all of their objectives. I have been dealing with trauma, including my own trauma, since childhood. I have uh, taken many trainings on trauma, induced trauma, trauma informed. I actually got certified as an trauma informed facilitator, which I loved. I'm hoping to get out of this course more understanding with trauma and how not receiving trauma as young as 5 years old, how that impacts you in your relationship as adults. I think studying trauma, uh, uh, studying trauma, it will be relatable to my future career is because I would like to eventually start to do my own mentoring company agency. I want to mentor uh, individuals from 5 to 80. I believe that we do too much boxing in individuals, and that leaves out so many people who will benefit from the services. This semester, I will be not completing any assignments, any work related assignments after 8:30 p.m. I am in the bed to get at least 8 hours of sleep. I am at least 3 times a week taking hot Epsom salt uh, bath to meditate, shutting down all types of lighting, computers, cell phones during that time period. I am also spending more time with family. I am actually putting family first. So that's three things. No electronics, no assignments after 8:30, taking baths, and having time with family. I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and I can't wait to see what this course brings for me in the near future.